Okay, so now we know how to do straight and swung. So we're gonna go straight into saying 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm gonna be playing this on D minor 7. And so I want you to just play along with me. And I'm gonna be using a metronome here. It's gonna be at a 90 BPM. I guess we'll start off with that, and then I'll speed it up a little bit too. But I really want you to get this ingrained in your body, ingrained in your mind, ingrained in your fingers, so that you can be able to play this swung feeling. And so I'll be playing on D minor 7th and C minor 7th, and I'm going to be going over their respective scales too. So I'll be going in all white keys for the D minor, and then all this two flats key for the C minor. And so I'm going to start at 90 BPM. So just either count along with me if you're not near a piano right now, or you can play along with me too. But all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing some like random notes. So I'm just going to be going around in all white keys, kind of like that. Just playing just random notes, just whatever comes to mind. And I'm going to be doing that at this specific BPM. And so you can either count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 or you can play with me. So I'm going to start at 90 BPM. I'm just going to do this for like a few minutes for you, just so you can really get this in your body, in your fingers, so that you'll know exactly what it sounds like when you need to play in this swung way. So I'm going to start right now. So 90 BPM. I'm going to start really slow, so you can come along with me. Just count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2. Just remember to keep walking. 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Just remember to listen to the feeling behind the notes rather than the notes themselves. So. Come on, keep counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna totally bore you by doing that for like another minute. I'm just kidding. I'll speed it up a little bit. I'll speed it up to like let's see, like 150 or something. Yeah, how about 150? So this will be a lot faster, but it's going to still be the same 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So obviously, I mean, that last part, you probably can't play that fast right now, but At some point you will. So I want you to look forward. You'll be able to play that fast. You'll be able to be swinging just like that. And it all starting from the 90, like 90 BPM or a lot slower and just going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and because that right there is really the basis of all the fast soloing and all this like so all that stuff, that's just swing, it's the exact same thing that I was just doing. It's just that now I'm incorporating other elements to it too. And left-hand hits and all that, but you're going to learn that in this break pack as well. So I want you to just use this as like a play along or a count along. So just count along with me and get that feeling in your body so that you know what it feels like, so you can execute that feeling of swing whenever you need to. And so we're gonna supply some more listening and vocalizing that you can do with this to get a lot more comfortable with this feeling of swing.